model, 2016 Renault Master MM35 Business DCI Euro 5 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 127040. MOT, the 16th of July 2026. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-125 E5E. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, mechanically sound, fully working with no warning lights on the dash. The engine and gearbox are in great shape, ready to be driven away and put straight to work. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, aircon, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys, parking sensors, 12 months MOT.